In this video, we'll learn how to solve systems of linear equations by graphing. Let us look at the first example, 3x plus 2y equal 12, x minus 2y equal minus 4. The first thing you will notice about these two equations that they are given in a standard form, which is ax plus by equals c. And of course, the first step of solving this type of questions, guys, is to plot the graph of each equation by using the intercept method. So we have to find the x-intercept and we have to find the y-intercept. Let us first start with the x-intercept. At x-intercept we have y equal 0. So let us start solving the first equation. 3x plus 2y equal 12. I will have to write it down. 3x plus 2. Now instead of writing the letter y, we have to replace it with 0 because we need to put y equals 0, right? We are plugging 0 instead of y equals 12. Now this is 0, so 3x equal 12. I will have to divide 3 both sides. These will cancel out. So I have x equal 4. So this means the x-intercept for the first equation is 4 and 0. Now let us find the y-intercept. Now I should set x equal to 0. So I will again go to the first equation. I will have to write it down, 3x, but instead of writing the letter x, I have to put x equals 0. So I will have to put 0 here. Okay, so 0 plus 2y equal 12. So this is 0. So I will left with 2y equal 12. I will have to divide both sides by 2. This will cancel out. So y equal 6. So the y-intercept for the first equation is 0 and 6. Now we have to do the same thing, same steps for the second equation. So let's start with x-intercept. So we have x minus 2. Now instead of writing y, I will write 0 equal minus 4. So this is 0. So x equal minus 4. So the x-intercept for the second equation is minus 4 and 0. Now let us go to y-intercept. So I will use the, again, same equation. But instead of writing x, I will just put 0 minus 2y equal minus 4. So I will have to divide both sides by minus 2. These will cancel out. So the value of y is 2. So the y-intercept for the second equation is 0 and 2. Next step is to plot these points on the coordinate system. Let us start with the first equation and the first point, which is x-intercept. We have the point 4 and 0, which is this one, point 0 and 6, which is this one. Next, I have to draw a line between these 2 points. And for the second equation, we have minus 4 and 0, 0 and 2. Now simply we have to draw a line between these 2 points. Now, the intersection point between these two lines, which is 2 and 3, is the solution to the system. Next, we need to check our answers, which is 2 and 3. So we will have to write the first equation, which is 3x plus 2y equal 12. And the second equation, which is x minus 2y equal negative 4. Let us start with the first equation. 3x plus 2y equals 12. Now I have to take 2 and 3 and plug them here. So let us start. We have a 3 times 2 plus 2 times 3. Is it equal 12? Now 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 times 3 is 6. Is it equal 12? Yes, because 6 plus 6 is 12 and 12 equal 12. Let us jump to the second one. X minus 2y equal minus 4. So we have to plug 2 instead of x. Minus 2 times 3 equal negative 4. Sorry, is it equal negative 4? This is how we are reading this sentence. When we check, we have to do it like this. So we have to write the numbers and we will ask ourselves, is it equal to minus 4? You can, some books, they put a question mark on top of the question, on top of the equal sign to make it clear for the students. You can use whatever you like. So let us continue. So we have 2 minus 6. Is it equal negative 4? Yes, 2 minus 6 is -4, and -4 equal -4. By the way, guys, if you want to learn about graphing linear equations using the x and y intercept, I have a full video about this topic. I will leave a link to that video in the description below.